Question is, if A is to B equal to C is to D, prove that A square plus AC plus C square is to A square minus AC plus C square is equal to B square plus BD plus D square is to B square minus BD plus D square. This is the question. Given information is A is to B equal to C is to D. So basically A, B, C and D are in proportion. When A, B, C and D are in proportion, we need to prove that this LHS equal to RHS. A by B is equal to K implies A is BK, right? This is what we have done. Now, what is C by D? C by D is also a constant K. So what would be C? C is DK. Let me take LHS. What is the LHS? LHS is A square plus AC plus C square divided by A square minus AC plus C square. This is the LHS part. So wherever I see A, okay, where I see A, substitute it with BK. Okay, and wherever I see C, what should I do? Substitute it with DK. That's all what I need to do. Okay, so let's do that. So A square will become BK the whole square plus BK into C is DK plus BK the whole square divided by A square is again BK the whole square minus BK into DK plus DK the whole square. B square K square, B square K square plus BD K square plus D square K square divided by B square K square minus BD K square plus D square K square. This is what I'm getting. Now, what is common here? Can you see anything common in the numerator and denominator? Both numerator and denominator has K square. So take K square out. And what are you left with? B square plus BD plus D square divided by K square out, B square minus BD plus...
Now doesn't BD just get cancelled completely?
Which BD? Which BD you want me? Can I cancel like that? Center terms.
Oh,
it's
okay,
not
yeah,
right? Yeah. It is not multiplication terms. They are added. Those terms are connected using addition or subtraction symbol. I cannot cancel them. Only if it's, see, I can cancel this K square and this K square. But if it is in between, if the K square was lying here and one K square is lying here, I cannot cancel those K square. B square plus BD plus D square divided by B square minus BD plus D square, right? So this is our LHS. Now, check whether this is what they have given as RHS. If this is exactly what they have given as RHS, then you don't need to do anything, right? Nothing more to be done. If this is different from RHS, then RHS also you have to do some kind of work to come to bring to this form. So just check what is given in the question. B square plus BD plus D square. That's my numerator. Now look at the denominator. What is in the denominator? B square minus BD plus D square. Let's go back to the question. B square minus BD plus D square. So that's the question. So I got it. So B square minus BD plus D square. So this is LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. That's it. Next question is, if X, Y, and Z are in continued proportion, prove that X square minus Y square is to X square plus Y square is equal to X minus Z is to X plus C. So this is what you have to prove. What is given to you? What is given to you is X, Y, and Z are in continued proportion. This is what is given to you. X, Y, and Z are in continued proportion. What is the meaning of X, Y, and Z are in continued proportion? X is to Y equal to Y is to Z. That's correct. So can I write Y square equal to X into Z? Product of means equal to product of extremes. Which are the mean terms here? This and this are mean terms. This and this are extreme terms. So product of means equal to product of extremes. So write that, and I am getting Y square equal to X into Z. Right? So keep it there. I have to prove this is equal to X minus Z is to X plus Z. Right? So what I'll do is I'll start with LHS. My LHS is X square minus Y square divided by X square plus Y square. Okay. Now substitute the value of Y square in LHS. I'll write like this. Okay. What do I mean is wherever I see Y square, I see Y square. Where don't I see Y square? I see Y square here. I see Y square here. Okay. So wherever I see Y square, in the place of Y square, I will write X into Z. Fine. So this is my plan. So let's write that. So substitute the value of Y square in LHS means X square minus XZ divided by X square plus XZ. In the numerator, X is common. Take out X, I am left with X minus Z. In the denominator also, X is common. Take out X, I am left with X plus Z. Now, cancel out those X terms. The final thing what I'm getting is X minus Z is to X plus Z, which is what is asked in the RHS. So I can write this is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next question is, using the properties of proportion, solve the following equation for X. Using the properties of proportion. So you are asked, you cannot use anything, no algebraic way of solving. You have to use properties of proportion. Okay. So the question is X square plus 3X. Was it X square? It is X cube, I believe. It is X cube, okay, not X square. Question is X cube plus 3X divided by 3X square plus 1 is equal to 341 divided by 91. So what is it that I have to do here? I have to find the value of X. I cannot use algebraic method because they have very clearly told I have to use properties of proportion. Okay, so what is the properties of proportion that you are familiar with? You will be using componendo and dividendo. So applying componendo and dividendo. Applying componendo and dividendo.
Plus 3x squared. No, yeah, plus 3x squared plus 1. Divided by x cubed plus 3x minus 3x squared minus 1.
Minus 3x square. Yeah, I'm putting it in bracket. Okay,
Yeah,
plus 1. And
equals
on the right hand side?
341 plus 91 divided by 341 minus 91.
341 plus 91 divided by 341 minus 91. So it is like A plus B is to A minus B equal to C plus D is to C minus D. That's what you're following here. Considering this entire thing, I'm repeating this thing. This entire thing is considered as A. This entire thing is considered as B. This entire thing is considered as C. and this entire thing is considered as B. And as per property, what you need to do is A plus B. Huh?
So could you just apply
1 minute, 1 minute.
Yeah, sure.
1 minute. So this is what componendo and dividendo property is saying. If A, B, C, and D are in continued proportion, you should understand that it is A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. This is what componendo and dividendo property says. Yes, Amrit, tell me.
Can you apply the component on dividend on only one side, like only on x cubed plus 3x plus 3x squared plus 1 by that, and not on the other side? Will that
No,
work?
you have to apply on
You have to
both the
apply
sides.
both sides with equal sign. Okay.
Both sides you have to apply, yes. Last year, A plus B whole cube you have learned in expansions chapter. So when the power is 3, A plus B the whole cube, there will be 4 terms. A plus B the whole cube means power is 3. So there will be 4 terms in the expansion. If it was A plus B whole square, there will be 3 terms. A square plus 2AB plus B square, there will be 3 terms in the expansion. Okay, A cube into B to the power 0. And then 3 times you are reducing A's power, increasing B's power. That's what is happening. Second term is A becomes A square, B becomes B to the power 1. Then in the next term, again, you will reduce the power of A. Then A will become A and B will become B square. Understood? Then the last term, the power of A will become 0. Only B will be there. What is the power of B? B cube. So expansion is going to be A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. This is the expansion for A plus B whole cube. Now, what is A minus B whole cube? A minus B whole cube is same as above, just that the second term and the fourth term will become negative. Rest everything will be positive terms. So it will be A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. Here, you look at this numerator. Numerator is A cube plus 3x plus 3x square plus 1. So can I rewrite it as x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1? And in the denominator, can I write it as x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 341 plus 91. What is it? 432 divided by 341 minus 91 would be 250. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. Now this one, this expansion, is it not equivalent to this can be considered as A cube. This can be considered as B cube, right? So this is going to be x plus 1, the whole cube, as per the expansion, divided by x minus 1, the whole cube, is equal to, now this I am just dividing it by 2, 432 I'm dividing by 2, 250 also dividing by 2. So what do I get? 216 divided by 125. This is what I'm getting. So here x plus 1 the whole cube divided by x minus 1 the whole cube is equal to 216 divided by 125. Now the thing is, both are cubed, right? Whole cube. So can I take cube root of both the sides? Taking cube roots. Taking cube roots. Taking cube roots, what do you get? X plus 1. What is the cube root of x minus 1 whole cube? X minus 1. Now, Shreya, tell me what is the, yeah, and what is the cube root of 216? 6, that's correct. And what is the cube root of 125? 5, that's right. So now we have got some simplified form. From what was given in the question, we have reached little simplified form. You will be tempted to use algebraic way of solving it, but still you cannot use, because in the question they have very clearly said use the properties of proportion. So again, see, what is the usual way of solving? Immediately you do cross multiplication. You write 5 into x plus 1 equal to 6 into x minus 1 and solve for x, right? but you cannot use it because you will not get mark if you are not using by properties of proportion. So what is again you have to do? Same thing, applying componendo and dividendo. Again, you're going to applying componendo and dividendo. Applying componendo and dividendo. What do you get? This is my A, this is my B, this is my C, this is my D. Okay, so A, B, C, and D. And what is our rule says? A plus B divided by A minus B equal to C plus D divided by C minus D.
It will become x plus 1
Hmm.
plus
Hmm.
x minus 1,
Hmm.
right? Divided by x minus
Divided
1.
by divided by x plus 1 minus.
Oh yeah, x plus 1 minus x plus 1.
No, x plus 1 minus x minus 1.
Which becomes x plus 1 plus x plus 1.
Yes,
If
Eva.
we're just trying to find
no.
x, can't we just cross multiply it?
The problem is in the question they have clearly mentioned use properties of proportion.
Properties of proportion.
So we cannot use that. We will be very much tempted to use it because that's the simplest way. But we cannot because you are using algebraic approach. When they say use properties of proportion, you have to use properties of proportion. Here, when I apply componendo and dividendo, I will get x plus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 minus x minus 1 in bracket. This is equal to C plus D. C plus D means 6 plus 5 divided by 6 minus 5 because I want C minus D. Now x plus x will give me 2x plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. So it will be 0 divided by x minus x will become 0 plus 1 and plus 1 will become 2 is equal to 6 plus 5 is 11 divided by 1. So I am getting x is equal to 11. This is the final answer. Question is, if x is equal to root of 3a plus 2b plus root of 3a minus 2b divided by root of 3a plus 2b minus root of 3a minus 2b. Okay, so x value is given to you and that is root of 3a plus 2b plus root of 3a minus 2b upon root of 3a plus 2b minus root of 3a minus 2b. What is it that you have to prove? Prove that bx square minus 3ax plus b equal to 0. So you have to prove bx square minus 3ax plus b equal to 0. Okay, so here we will be using properties of proportions. They have not said anything of that sort, but still you will use properties of proportion because that is relatively easy approach. Okay, so what you do here is take the given value. What is given to you? The value of x is given to you. So take it, x is equal to root of, root has to be a smaller root, 3a plus 2b plus root of 3a minus 2b divided by root of 3a plus 2b minus root of 3a minus 2b. So this is the value of x. So what I'll do is I am going to use our proportion, right? Properties of proportion. So I need numerator and denominator. Right hand side has got numerator and denominator. Left hand side doesn't have a denominator. So what should I do? When denominator is not there, what should I do?
By 1.
By 1, that's all. You divide it by 1 because by default or it's by 1 is always silent, right? So put that. Explicitly you put that divide by 1 thing. So now you can apply componendo and dividendo. When I say applying componendo and dividendo, it is like, remember the rules. A plus B divided by A minus B is equal to C plus D divided by C minus D. Here, which side should be considered as A? This is A, this is B. This entire thing can be considered as C, and this entire thing can be considered as D. X plus 1. Okay, so I'm going to write X plus 1. This is equivalent to A plus B divided by A minus B. A minus B means X minus 1. This is equal to, right hand side is going to be a longer one. You have to write C plus D. What is your C? Root of 3A plus 2B plus root of 3A minus 2B. This is my C. To that, I need to add D. So what is my D? D is root of 3A plus 2B minus root of 3A minus 2B. This is my D. Whole divided by root of 3A plus 2B plus root 3A minus 2B is my C. Now here C minus D. That's what I need to do. Minus of D. What is my D? Root 3A plus 2B minus root 3A minus 2B. Right? So this is my D. So let me solve it. X plus 1 divided by X minus 1. Good. Now root 3A plus 2B, root 3A plus 2B. So basically these two, this and this, when I add, I get 2 times root 3A plus 2B. Okay. And look at this term and this term. This is plus root 3A minus 2B minus root 3A minus 2B. So that terms, those terms will get cancelled out. Okay. So this term and this term will get cancelled out. The only thing that you are getting is 2 times root of 3A plus 2B divided by, look at the denominator. In denominator, which part will get cancelled out? Root 3A plus 2B minus root 3A plus 2B. This and this will get cancelled out. And what are you left with? 2 times, you will be left with 2 times root of 3A minus 2B. This is what you are left with. Okay. So this 2 and this 2 I can cancel out, and what I am left with is X plus 1 divided by X minus 1 equal to root of 3A plus 2B divided by root of 3A minus 2B. I'm still not done. Now this will be, see, when I have X plus 1 divided by X minus 1 equal to root 3A plus 2B divided by root 3A minus 2B. So squaring both sides, what do I get? I'm getting X plus 1 the whole square divided by X minus 1 the whole square is equal to 3A plus 2B divided by 3A minus 2B. X square plus 2X plus 1 divided by X square minus 2X plus 1 is equal to, write as it is, 3A plus 2B divided by 3A minus 2B. Now I am going to apply componendo and dividendo again. So what do I get? Applying componendo and dividendo, because that will take me to the answer very fast. So applying componendo and dividendo, I'll get here X square plus 2X plus 1 is my A plus X square minus 2X plus 1. This is my B. This is my A. Okay, so A plus B done, divided by X square plus 2X plus 1 minus X square minus 2X plus 1. This was my B part. This is equal to 3A plus 2B plus 3A minus 2B divided by 3A plus 2B minus 3a minus 2b. I am applying componendo and dividendo rule. And based on that, I have to use a plus b divided by a minus b is equal to c plus d divided by c minus d. And that's what I'm writing here. So I'm getting x square plus x square is 2x square plus 2x minus 2x will become will cancel out, plus 2 divided by this x square and this x square get cancelled out. This plus 1 and this plus 1 will get cancelled out. Okay. So by the way, previously this, sorry, I will be having this and this cancelled out previously. Now, what am I left with here? So I have just 4x only, right? So I'm having only 4x on the left hand side is equal to what all will get cancelled out on the right hand side? Plus 2b and minus 2b will get cancelled out. Here, 3a and minus 3a will get cancelled out. So I am having 3a plus 3a, 6a, divided by 2b plus 2b, 4b. So this is what I have. So if I, so this is like 2 into x square plus 1 divided by 4x is equal to 3a divided by 2b, right? So if I cancel out this and this, I get 2. So x square plus 1 divided by 2x is equal to 3a by 2b. This 2 and this 2 can be cancelled out, right? If I take that to the right hand side, it will anyway can be cancelled out. So this is gone. So what I have, x square plus 1 into b is equal to 3ax. So this would be bx square plus b minus 3ax equal to 0. Look at the question. It is bx square minus 3ax plus b equal to 0. Hence proved. So side and right hand side, when the left hand side and the right hand side denominators are having the same value, I can actually cancel out. Why? The reason is it is as good as writing x square plus 1 is equal to 3a into 2x divided by 2b, right? Is it correct? Now cancel. Can I cancel out this
I
2
got
and
it.
this 2? So
Yeah.
same. So that's what.